coming back to the point, what is it in store for organizations in the next 10 years? We've seen that in the last 100 years, let's go to 1928. We have seen 1928 to 1948, the life cycle of an organization was about 80 years. Today, we are seeing that any business that you start will thrive for only 4 years, 4 to 5 years. That means the life cycle of organizations have come down so drastically due to the fierce competition. You need to reinvent your business plan. You need to look constantly ahead of change. And of course, the most important impact that we are seeing today is environmental changes. We have about, these are some of the factors that will influence how the market behaves in the next few years. And we have at least a cut of 20% in greenhouse gas emissions. And we have seen in the last few months the stand that India has taken. India, where about 500 million people do not have access to electricity, its greenhouse gas emission could double or more than triple to 7.3 billion tons by 2031. But its per capita emissions would still be below the global average of 2.8%. Now this is the stand that we have taken. But let's look at what the research says. It's completely contradicting. We are talking about national average of 1.75 million tons of consumption, or what you say, release of carbon dioxide into the environment, which is permissible, and Bangalore city alone is talking about being the 5th highest city in Asia, and we are talking about 6.36 million tons of carbon dioxide per annum that we are emitting due to various consumption of electricity and various other industrial factors. So what's happening? We're talking about 20%. What amount of carbon dioxide or the pollution that we've left into the environment will remain in the environment even after 250 years. We'll see 20% and about 10% left even after say about 2,000 years, and 6% still remains after 10,000 years. So that is the kind of damage that we have taken. So my friends, what I want to imply here is that this is no longer a fashion statement that I am an eco-friendly company, but we need to really work towards making sure that we do not contribute more to the pollution. So therefore, what is the impact this will bring to the industries? A lot of industries will have to go through transformation, complete transformation, or close down. This is the kind of stage we are in. This is the lethal imbalance that we have created. You can see this, the graph is going up very high from last 2000, that is from 2000. Knowledge management is something that came as a discipline from 1991. It was made a discipline as a subject in 1991 and officially declared as a discipline. Now what has happened between 1991 and today? We have seen by 1995 we were leveraging explicit knowledge, and by 2000 we shifted over to leveraging experiential knowledge, and 2005 onwards we're already into leveraging collective knowledge. Collective knowledge, mapping knowledge all across the world. And my friends, the computing ability of having to map the knowledge that we have done in the last 20 years is phenomenal, because we took 2,500 years to structure our Vedas, the Puranas, the Upanishads, and the Upavedas, the Smritis, were commentaries written on the Vedas, all took 2,500 years, whereas we have done this in 20 years time. So you can imagine at what random speed we are going in.